Hi everybody, I'm here in a village which has all modern day amenities, about 5 minutes south of the medieval town of Penela in the district of Coimbra. I'm on the top floor of a village property. It's quite an old property, probably dates back to, I don't know, maybe 1910 or something like that, but has been worked on, as you can see, to a very high standard, and I would say 95% finished. So we're now on the top floor, so we have the ground first, we call it the second floor. Very large open plan room with pine tongue and groove floorboards, and we have a pine newel post there and handrail for the stairs. We have some opening lights. I think they might be Velux, I'm not sure, but there are two of those either side. Just pan around. Okay. The property has been lined this with plasterboard, as has the ceiling, and it's also had insulation. Okay, it's been fully rewired, new plumbing, just requires mainly a kitchen and a bathroom, but you'll see that as we're going along. So, right, let's go downstairs. The windows, by the way, have been renewed in a double glazed aluminium with internal shutters that you can see here. The ceilings have been left for maybe whoever is coming in might want more electrics, so they can run the wires prior to fitting plasterboard to the ceilings. So that's where we've just come from. Pine staircase, good quality one. And I'll step down here, and we're now on the first floor. So we have doors, new door frames, architraves, and this would be, I think it could be the lounge, or you can have it as a bedroom being on the first floor. We have a nice little Juliet balcony outside. The village, by the way, the centre of the village is very close, so you can walk to cafes, walk to the shops, supermarket. It's really in a great location. Okay, so from here, let's go out again, back into the corridor, and we'll turn right. So once again, good sized bedroom, really good sized bedroom, easily a double. Those nice pine floors with pine skirting board. You can see the electrics, and as I say, just the ceilings to finish off. Now at the side of here is a bathroom. Now this needs a bit of work, but the plumbing is in, as you can see in the walls. So you need to choose whatever wash hand basin or bidet, maybe a shower, whatever you want. And we have an expeller running at the moment. That's linked to the light switch. Okay, just go in the corner, show you this from here. Okay, so that is the first floor. All right, so what we'll do now, we'll go down to the ground floor. Right, so here we are, a big open plan area. Oh, the stairs coming down. The floor's been finished in cement, so it just needs tiling now. That's if you want tiles. And this would be the lounge stroke kitchen. I think we have waste pipes and water pipes in the wall here, excuse me, for the kitchen. So that would be in this area. Okay, just come round again, show you where I've been. Really is quite spacious. Okay, and here, bathroom. I think this has been designed for a shower that you can see here, and probably wash and basin in this area as well. I'm not too sure. So we do have a door, excuse me, and there you see the WC, and maybe, let me just come in here and turn around. Ah yes, it looks like the wash and basin is planned for opposite the WC, opposite the toilet. Okay, so there you have it. A project not far off completion, being sold as it is at present. What I will do, I will take some photos also. You'll have some more information on our website, and as I say in all my videos, by all means you can call me on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the address you find at the end of the video. Thank you and good day.